Okay, so it's Sunday, just been to Walmart to get some food. Just want to show you this. And I've been banging on about how much is raining, but check that out, clear sky, awesome.
There's only 3 of us in here last time.
I mean, we got really fast down this time.
Wanna go hike up there?
What are you doing, you crazy people?
Well, there's James. Just walked across that. That's some scary shit. I'm not doing that again. There's snow right on top of that mountain. We're pretty high up, but I imagine that's really high up.
Yeah, this one is
Oh.
it's the steepest one, yeah.
We're going down.
It was easier on the way up.
Actually, that's not the drop off one yet.
What?
You're doing really well. Whee! Okay, it's pretty though.
So that is the tree fit. This one? No.
Oh.
Well, going down it. Hey.
Is this fun? You see all the trees?
Hey.
That's the trees.
Good. Thanks for the ride. Smiling.
Hello. Last couple of videos I took, we went up a gondola ride, which is in, I think it's called Squamish. It's weird, apparently I'll put a picture of this, the natural pronunciation of it actually has a 7 in it. Never seen a word with a 7 in it, but I'll show you it. Yeah, I didn't really do any commentating while I was on the gondola because I was absolutely shitting myself because it is so high up, but it was pretty good. It's a good experience. Took some shots like while I was up there, and I'll post those as well. Good experience. So I thought I'd just tell you because I didn't say anything when I was knocking about, but I got loads of pictures and it was really good. So I think we're going to a waterfall which is like a little bit further down, so we'll see.